Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to talk about what products can actually increase your Facebook customer feedback score, because right now it's like a flag fest and like everybody is like getting killed because of that Facebook customer feedback score. So this will basically help you to find out like in what niches and what products you should look, when you want to like increase it and not be like in danger that you will lose that page because of it. But first, if you like my videos and well you watch them every day, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. And also, if you have some interesting idea about future video, then definitely comment below. Customer feedback score is like so strict and it's constantly changing. Basically, what was working in 2017 was already like dangerous in 2018, and well, what was working in 2019 can kill you in 2020. So even products that are actually like absolutely legit, absolutely okay with Facebook policies can now shut you down, and not because they are like not even working properly or because you are like making some promises that you cannot fulfill. These products are like absolutely fine, but problem is that they will completely fail with customers, because if these days I think like that score is like made for like idiots, okay? So if your product is not like completely like idiot proof, okay, then you will might lose your page. There is like a couple products that can actually like shut you down because customers are not competent enough to use them, okay, or they don't like have common sense how to use like super simple products. Let me give you a couple examples, okay? So first I will start with like positive example what product can actually work, and that's let's say you are selling those like kitchen lids for like some boxes for food, okay? And well, that's like very easy to understand product. Basically you are telling the customer, okay, you will get this box, you will put this lid on it, and then you can put your food inside, okay? And so even like a monkey can understand. This is like very difficult to like make it wrong, okay? And that's why this product will not probably decrease your customer feedback score. I mean that quality part of customer feedback score, because this will not be misleading claims, okay? Because that person bought that product and was smart enough to understand that these boxes are getting used like this, okay? However, if you will sell something more complicated, like let's say those sushi roll makers, okay? Like if you are selling that plastic, for example, thing, that sushi bazooka or like a sushi roller, and well, here already you need like somebody who is at least like little bit like smart, has some common sense, and is not like completely like not able to just roll it, okay? And well, problem is that this product will probably work with like a very big part of people like properly. People will be able to create that sushi, you will even see like a lot of positive videos on YouTube how people are even like showing how they did it. And well, you will sell it and you will see that most customers will probably not be able, okay? They will think that, oh yeah, I will buy it, and I will use it, make those rolls, but then they will fail, okay? Most of the time you are showing people something that they can get, okay? They can like learn some skill, they can like make product and buy product and make some things, and basically now, instead of people like to being accountable for their actions, like okay, they will buy product and they need to learn how to do it, they will not do it, they will fail, they will say that you are misleading them, and Facebook will punish you, okay, because of their incompetence, which is like reality right now. So you don't need to like pick products that can really like even monkey use, because I can't really like count that if I'm selling something where people need to like use brains, that they will actually use them. So I'm always trying to now like keep it like very simple, okay? So if I'm selling something, people need to be able to, in like 100% of them, like use it and not like mess it up, okay? Because like now you are basically accountable to Facebook for their like incompetence, okay? Let's say you are selling some another product, like example again, like wooden chess set, okay? And well, again, when you are selling something like this, people will understand, yeah, it's like a chess, it's like a basically like board game, there are like some pieces of the chess and everything is like fine, okay? This is like very simple product, and people will already understand, okay, what is chess, and they will not be stressed, when they are like losing inches, okay? This is like a product that people will probably be able to like use properly, and it will not destroy your customer feedback score. Let's say there is like another thing that you are selling, like that do-it-yourself drill or like screwdriver sets. Actually, this is like one of those smaller like exceptions, right? So even when person will use that drill set or like try to like drill something and they will still like mess it up, then in this niche it's like most likely their own fault and they understand it, okay? But if you would be selling something like a little bit more difficult to use, like those like cleaning things for their cars or like those headline restoration agents, then there is like a bigger chance that they will just fail, okay? Because they will probably need to follow some like more complicated like guide, okay? So maybe they will need to do like 5 steps, you know, to apply that product properly on those headlights to make it like work. And that's already like difficult, because if somebody need to follow some guide, most of them will not even like think about it much. They will just like do first thing that they have in their heads, you know, and like then they will mess it up, and you will need to like pay for it to Facebook basically. You will need to like pick products that will also increase that score, like those screwdriver sets. Okay, basically if you are selling like a lot of things in DIY niche, then there is like a huge chance you will actually like help yourself, because there will people be incompetent, but it will more likely be their fault, okay? So, and let's say that you are selling also like some things in that kitchen, you know, if it's like straightforward product, very easy to understand, and there are like not a lot of things that can go wrong, you know, it's not like too complicated like outside, so they cannot really like do anything like wrong with it, you know, like with those boxes to that kitchen, okay? I mean, it's like easy, like you will take a box, you will put a food and put a lid on it, okay? It's like 3 steps and you need to read like manual. But if it's like those restoration agents, that's super complicated, most people will not make it. If it's that sushi bazooka, you'll probably also like need to read something or like do it a couple times, you know, and again, they will not make it. Every time when you are like launching some product, always understand that before it was a problem delivery. I mean, it's still a problem, but now it's like same exactly big problem that quality score. So where basically now a lot of people solve the delivery because they are fulfilling from countries where they sell and stop doing the China, then now you're actually getting punished because of that quality like a lot more than before. And problem is that if you will lose that page with customer feedback score below like that one, and it's because of those misleading claims, then you will not be able basically to get the page back in most of the times. If it's because of delivery, that's kind of funny, and you will just send Facebook like some documents, you know, that they basically show like that you already told people that there will be like some slowdown in delivery, they will just like restart that page and give it to you back. But if it's about that product quality, then you will lose the page and you will not have a chance to get it back, okay? So really, like, if you are now picking products, always try to pick products that you think that even like a small child could use it. Otherwise, you might be like very close to that Facebook circle of hell. So definitely like focus on that and try to like really like idiot proof your business and all your products, okay? Because Facebook is getting strict and you will need to sell like idiot proof products or you will not make it in Facebook. And well, if you want to sell there, you will probably need to be like this careful and this paranoid. Even it sounds like bizarre in your head, then you really need to do it, okay? Because they will shut you down, they don't care about you. Okay, so I hope it was like very positive video, and thank you for watching. If you are still in information and you would like to talk more about like incompetent like customers, or you have some questions about Facebook marketing, more events or e-commerce, definitely join information. Well, and if you already lost your page or lost your ad account, business manager or a profile, then definitely download my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide, and I hope I will get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, because basically that's why I wrote that book. So definitely download that, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.